Hey everyone, it's Julie. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Today I will be discussing some fertility myths and reveal some truths. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, share it, comment, love it. Okay, so the first fertility myth is that nutrition is not a factor in getting pregnant. You can eat whatever you want. This is false. Poor nutrition can contribute to hormone disruption and ovulation delays. So the next fertility myth, symptoms of PCOS are the same for women. This is false. Symptoms can vary with all women. Thin and obese women may have PCOS, and many women may not have polycystic ovaries. The next fertility myth, men's health is not important in the fertility process. This is false. Male infertility factors contribute to 30% of all infertility cases. The next fertility myth, women with PCOS cannot have children. This is false. It may be difficult, but women can still become pregnant with their own eggs. Now, the last fertility myth, stress does not affect your ability to get pregnant. This is false. Stress can actually delay your cycle depending how severe it is. It can cause other health issues throughout your body that can prevent you from getting pregnant. So these are just a few fertility myths that I debunk in my fertility course. My fertility course explains how your reproductive health operates and how to improve your chances in getting pregnant naturally through nutrition and other methods that your body already does naturally. It's available now, simplecleanwell.com. Click on courses, and I hope you all learned something new today. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.